if you're craving spicy, hot, peppery mushroom fry with steaming hot white rice, this recipe is for you. Let's make this together. All the ingredients are mentioned in the description section. First, we'll make a dry masala mix. Set a pan on medium heat and add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, and 1 dried red chilli. We are going to dry roast these until they are aromatic. This should take approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we are going to transfer everything to a grinder jar and grind them to a smooth powder, like that. Alright then, let's get started. Set a pan on medium heat and add around 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, to that add 10 to 12 curry leaves. I'm going to tear them and add them for more flavor. Next, add 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. Sprinkle some salt so the onion cooks faster. Give that a quick mix, and now we are going to add 2 teaspoons of freshly crushed ginger and garlic. We want to stir fry this until the onions are translucent. It should take around 2 minutes or so. Alright, time to put the mushrooms in. I'm adding 300 grams of sliced mushrooms. I'm using brown button mushrooms. You can use the white ones or any other mushrooms that's available to you. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, some sliced green chillies depending on how adventurous you feel. Next, we are going to start to stir fry this. Initially, the mushrooms are going to start to ooze out liquid. You can turn up the heat a little bit and wait till the liquid starts to dry up. After stirring for around 10 minutes or so, you'll see that the liquid is starting to dry up, and that's the time we are going to add in a dry masala mix. Here it comes. Make sure to coat all the mushroom pieces with that aromatic masala. Now let's check for salt. Add salt to taste. Next, we'll add 3 teaspoons of fresh lime juice and around half a tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves. We want to continue to stir fry for another 5 minutes till the mushrooms dry up even more and all the masalas are nice and toasted, and this gets so aromatic that your kitchen smells wonderful and my mouth is watering right now. We are almost done. Wasn't that easy? Let's garnish with another half a tablespoon of coriander leaves. And is your steaming hot white rice ready? Add some ghee too, okay? This is so good, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this. So that's all for today, my friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do you see the kind of recipes you're missing out? And don't forget to press that notification bell. I post exciting recipes every week and it's going to come straight to you. If you're on any of these different social media sites, I'm going to be waiting to say hello. And for written recipes, you can always visit my blog. All the links are in the description section. Alright then, see you next week. Bye-bye.